if you want to learn 4 key habits that are going to allow you to take control of your life in 2023, then stick around to the end of this video. Number 1 is to learn a new skill. Learning a new skill can be a fantastic way to help fill in some spare time or even just keep you productive. A lot of hobbies and skills are going to have a really positive impact on your physical, mental, and social health. It just depends on what the hobby or skill is. For example, if you pick up the skill of learning to play basketball, you're going to be physically active because you're moving your body. You're going to make new friends in the team, and it's going to help clear your head from all the other stress surrounding your life. So learning or picking up a new hobby is a fantastic way to take control of your life in 2023, as it's going to help get you focused on something that you're interested in and help motivate you to get up in the morning. And it's also going to take away time that you could have been spending on those unhealthy habits. So it's a win-win. Number 2 is to make sleep a priority. Let me paint a real quick picture for you. If you go to bed one night and you forget to put your phone on charge, the next morning it's going to be dead and you're not going to be able to use it until you charge it again. It's the same with sleep. If you don't go to bed at a decent hour and you don't get the quality or the quantity of sleep that you need to recharge your batteries from the previous day, you're not going to be able to function at your proper and maximal level the next day, because you're going to be half dead inside because you're too tired to function. To make sure you have the proficient energy to survive the next day, you should be getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night, but preferably 8 to 9 hours would be better. If you can't sleep for that long, you need to look at how you're preparing yourself for bed. What time are you going to bed? Are you going to bed at 2 a.m. in the morning? Or are you going to bed at a decent hour? And what activities are you doing right before you go to bed and when you wake up? Are you looking at a screen like your phone or watching TV? Or are you reading a book and meditating and helping your body calm down before you go to sleep? Both of these things play a massive role in how much sleep you get and the quality of your sleep. So make sure you're prioritizing things like going to bed at a decent hour, not eating super sugary snacks right before you go to bed, and not looking at your phone at least 30 minutes before you go to bed. These are going to help because when you look at that blue light, it's introducing that light to your eyes, and therefore your brain can't depict if the light is coming from your phone or the sun. It can't do that. So it automatically thinks that it's time to wake up and get the day started when it's actually nighttime. If you're eating super sugary snacks right before bed, you're going to have too much energy built up and then crash later the night. And then if you're going to bed too late, well, that's just not good for the quality of your sleep. Number 3 is gradually eating healthier. What you put into your body is what you're going to get out of it, which is why what you eat matters so much. If you want to have a healthy, functional body, then you need to be aware of what nutrients you're providing it. Another good example would be with your car. When you go to fuel it up, you're not just going to put some trash fuel in your car. The better the fuel you put in the car, the better the car's going to run and move around. It's the same with your body. The better the food and the higher quality of food that you put into your body, the better and more active you're going to allow yourself to be. So put better foods and better nutrients into your body and you're going to get a lot more out of your body. However, I don't want you to go away from this video and all of a sudden become super strict on your diet, because that's just going to lead to a crash and demotivation. You're not going to be enjoying life anymore. No, I want you to take things really slowly, step by step, so that you can consistently do this and not just give up on it a couple weeks later. So start off by just replacing one meal each day for a week. For example, if you eat Cocoa Pops in the morning or a bad cereal, you can replace it with some eggs on toast or some oats and fruit or a healthy smoothie. Then you can build up to 2 meals per day and replace lunch and breakfast. And then after a period of time, you're going to be replacing all of them. By doing this, it's going to ease you into the process of creating a healthier diet and allow you to become more consistent with it. Number 4 is to sharpen the saw. This is from the book of 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. What it means is to sharpen your skill set and tip the balance in your favor by putting in the hard work to improve your physical and mental health. You can do this by taking part in activities daily, like exercising, meditating, and doing something that you enjoy. Abraham Lincoln once said, "If you give me 6 hours to cut down a tree, I'm going to spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. So in order to achieve specific goals that you want to, you have to first sharpen your skill set and sharpen the axe before you cut down the tree. If you're enjoying this video, go down, hit the subscribe button because it would mean a lot and support me, and I'm going to help you in return become the best version of you in 2023. So go down, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.